Want to boost your Shopify store's credibility with real customer reviews? In this video, I will guide you how to add review section in just a few minutes. The first thing you want to do is open up any web browser and head over to shopify.com. Make sure to log into your account. Now, you will find the app section on the left-hand side panel. Go ahead and click on the add option. You will find a couple of apps here. You can ignore this, scroll down a bit, and you will find the option of App Store. Go ahead and click on that. Now, search Product Reviews app. Go ahead and click on whichever app you prefer and click on the install option. Then click on install again. You can choose any plan or use the free trial version. Enter all the information such as your payment details and click on the approve option. Once the application has been installed, you can now head over to online store, then select themes. Now click customize to launch the theme editor. Now navigate to a product page where you want reviews to show. From the left hand side elements panel, click add section, find product reviews and drag it to place under your product description. To manage reviews, return to Product Reviews app from Apps menu. Here you can approve, reject, or reply to reviews and even enable email notifications or customize the review submission form. If everything looks good, click on the Save option, and that's it for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.